Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If your mouse cursor feels way too sluggish or it's flying across the screen way too fast, it can make using your Windows 11 computer incredibly frustrating. I will show you exactly how to find the hidden pointer options and fine-tune your mouse sensitivity to the perfect speed. Let's get started. First, we need to access the main device settings for your computer. Right-click on the Start menu icon on your taskbar and select Settings. From the menu on the left side of the window, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down the right side of the page until you find the section labeled Mouse and go ahead and click on it. While there is a basic speed slider on this first page, we want to access the classic, much more precise controls. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the mouse settings page and click on the option that says Additional Mouse Settings. A small, classic mouse properties dialog box will pop up on your screen. Look at the tabs across the very top of this box and click on the one named Pointer Options. Inside the Pointer Options tab, look at the very top section labeled Motion. Here you will see a slider that lets you adjust your pointer speed. You can drag it to the left to make your mouse much slower and easier to control, or drag it to the right to make it extremely fast. Once you find the perfect speed for your hand, make sure to check the box right below the slider that says Enhance Pointer Precision. This feature automatically smooths out your physical hand movements, giving you much better accuracy when clicking small targets. Finally, click Apply at the bottom right and then click OK to lock in your new sensitivity. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.